Ascension. So Ascension's change in frequency dimensions are based on vibration. Each dimension has a range of frequencies, which in turn create the reality or experience within that dimension. Ascension is the simultaneous increase of expanding consciousness. So personal ascension, or Gaia's ascension as well, is the frequency, the higher vibration, and the eventually, yes, a different Schumann unit of a Schumann resonance. Um, the frequency in which it's shifting into, right? So the personal ascension involves increasing the vibrational configuration of not only your biological body but the etheric body, right? Your subtle energy body. So that's why it's so important to line up your balancing your chakras. So your energy system. So that's what we're getting into here. We're getting into vibrational medicine. And so not everybody, even people that go and get all kinds of different you know, the energy modalities, the healing modalities. Even if you're super, spiritual, hippity dippity person, you're still probably, there's still a lot of traumas trapped in our DNA. So that's what we're trying to make it easier for you guys to transition into a higher frequency, right? Not only the etheric, your light body, but your biological body too. And so it's going to go through a painful process here. Even, you know, I'm going through the same thing. And the biological body, through all different frequencies, we're going to talk about all this, is that, it's like stress. It's like, somebody negative comes into the room, you're vibrating and you're feeling the stress as well. So let's say the other day you get cut off in traffic, your boss yelled at you, you come home, but then it takes usually about 24 hours. That's your etheric body, your light body absorbed that stress. And then the next day you wake up and you have no idea why your back is killing you. Okay, so that's emotional stress too. That's a vibration. So the mind and emotion too, when we talk about the component of spirituality, we talk about the etherics, the metaphysics of it, your aura, your biofield physiology. So going through the ascension process it's this vibrational to anchor into Gaia during this her ascension process, because she's moving into a higher frequency. So, and it's kind of it's unheard of, because on top of a planet being, usually when a planet goes through an ascension process, all kinds of cataclysmic things can happen. But right now we're being having a lot of help. So, what else was I going to say? So yeah, the chakras, and balancing those out and removing the blockages and unwanted frequencies. So that's the beginning of this, and then we're going to get into how to make it easier for your quote junk DNA or the dormant DNA strands to come back online because they're so suppressed, right? So your fourth and fifth strand DNA, the potential DNA, can come back online, because the template is basically the human template. The human template is 12. So it's 12 chromosomes, 12 strands, 144,000 or 144 chromosomes, 12 strand DNA. So right now we're working with 3.5, right? So all of that's coming back online too, because this is a transmutational process, morphogenesis. So your body's compensating so that it can absorb more energy, more light, just like the plants and animals and the earth elements are also doing. They're changing on a molecular level, okay?